back to Saalaar. So today I'm going to be showing you a very exciting thing. Hey bro, can you say hi to the viewers?
Hi!
Hey guys, it's been a long time since I've been doing videos for you, so today is a very special video. So today I'm going to be adding something new in my channel. As I've been vlogging for 1 year, so I'm going to be having a new adding. This is my new surprise for you. Ta-da! It's a tripod for mobiles. Let me show you first. Let's open it up on the packaging. Oh, look at that! It has its own backpack. Now first we open it from its bag.
Yeah.
Whoa, we have on this thing. This is a mobile. And inside this is a mobile holder. Hey bro, let's keep it down.
Yeah.
And then after that we have this little piece and the gigantic stand. And then after that, let's see if there are little screws or something. Oh, there are 2 screws and one. This, and let's first we put it up like this, and then we open these to make it a little bit look big. And then even you can make this look gigantic. Just open this up and ta-da! It's now gigantic. Now the others. First this one, and then the other one. Now we put this like this. The last but not least, first like this, and like this, and like this. Ta-da! Now it's in full size. Now we just take these and these. Let me show you. First we put this here. Let me just squeeze it. Now you will think, why isn't it so up? You can just move it here, and now let me show you something else. Now you'll be wondering, what's this bar for? When you are on behind, you can just move it up. So if you want to take how much height you want to show it to the viewers, like this.
Let's do it right now, bro.
Okay, on the full.
Yeah.
Let's take it.
Very high.
It's going still. Good. Whoa, it's getting taller than me.
Yeah.
Whoa, it's looking like a man, like a gigantic man. This thing goes to 2 centimeters, and just let it get down and down and down and down. So we can show our viewers. We have to keep it down for our viewers, okay?
Okay.
Come on. Hey bro, it might be crazy for the viewers. Now you'll think, how can we think about something? First of all, when you go on the back side, on the front, it will keep always going up. When you take it backwards, slowly, and don't go fast. If you go fast, then it might break. Hey bro, just give me this, and this goes here. See this part, this little hole? We just put this in the hole, and it just keeps going up. Here we put it properly so it gets tightened here. It will be a little bit while. So after a few minutes it will get, and after it gets, it's for keeping it tight. So this part doesn't drop when you're doing a viewing, it doesn't get loosed up. If you push a bit harder and it suddenly breaks, it won't happen that way. So keep it safe. So just take it up and then
do it carefully.
And please be careful with it when you're using it, because any little accident can make the whole piece break up. First, let's take this knot down. And it might look like it's taking a long time, but it is the perfect way to do it. And first of all, we do like this, and then I don't want it to be fully tight. So if I want to show you other parts, well, give me the other pieces. Oh, thank you. And now we just put this up here.
And
then I think let me see the part. First, if you're a new person, you're doing it for first time, please carefully look at every piece of it and then use it. Because now I'm going to put this for extra safety, so it never ever falls. So we can have a safer, when you're videoing it, everything is safe when you're vlogging. Just keep it up and ta-da. Done. And now we have a full activated tripod. Ta-da! But when you're vlogging, now you'll say, how can we put the attaching? You see, this can be given the length, and if you want to make it a bit higher, or if someone is so much higher than it, you can just take it a bit higher, so it can be helpful. And then you can do the vlogging and click. Thank you. Goodbye.
Goodbye.
Hey, welcome back. And like and subscribe, and please see my Facebook ID. Bye.